what is up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Helium, we are trading at $4.24, 24-hour volume. We are up 29%, and market cap, we are up 1.19%. So heading over to our chart here, I'm going to start off on our daily chart and then immediate short term for 4 hours. But, we are going to be keeping a close eye on the 38% of our fib, which is $4.38. As we can see on a daily time frame, the last couple of days we've been able to really pick ourselves around this area and hold our area of support. Now, this is going to be our area of resistance quite roughly around where the price almost stopped at $4.58. As we can see, we have made a lot of lower high peaks or these candlestick wicks as well. And essentially, we are coming down in the tops of our candlestick wick. So we're seeing kind of a, triangle shape itself in our candlestick. So as normally, whenever we see these candlestick triangles, we are either going to break out in an uptrend or a continuation of this downtrend. As we can see, we've broken through a lot of areas of our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average, continuing this bear trend ever since October 7th. So this may also be a continuation of this phase here. So long we are going to be holding the 38%, we may break out in a uptrend. Now we can see with our MACD indicator, which is really nice here, is we've only had a couple of bars in the red. And if we can be able to come up and change the direction into the red to the green at a key area of resistance here, where the price essentially is at right now, then we would be able to break out in an uptrend. But you'll notice that the next area of resistance line back here on October 9th isn't so far behind of the price right now at $4.67. So even though we may have that breakout, depending on how strong the momentum is and where the RSI may be found, we may see a rejection shortly after that breakout. So we may actually see a false breakout instead of the bull run that we are hoping for. So going into immediate short term for 4 hours, again, you guys can see this beautiful green candlestick here. The volume itself is almost same as it's matching. So essentially the volume is not matching this uptrend. So we want to be looking for shorter opportunities opposed to long-term opportunities from this breakout. Now I'm going to switch over to our 2-hour time frame because this is essentially what I was thinking excuse me, in this uptrend itself. As we can see, the momentum it's on the MACD indicator is pretty strong, which is really great. But if we narrow in a little bit on the 2-hour time frame, we can see already some weakness occurring at this uptrend. Now notice this gap already from our candlestick bars. This is again left liquidity, and normally whenever we see the gaps, the volume is going to, or the price is going to want to fill these gaps itself. So even though the price is above this area, left liquidity, we are going to fill it eventually later on. So essentially right here, we see this gap here. It was filled a few hours later. So just be very, very cautious of this beautiful uptrend for helium. We are going to see that downtrend in the next couple of hours or so because of this gap occurred. Now, again, the 2 hours is not done yet. So in this 2-hour time frame of this candlestick, if we can be able to fill this gap itself, then essentially it filled the left liquidity and the price can continue upwards. Now, going back into the 4-hour time frame where that left liquidity was actually above our node here of our volume profile. If you guys can see that, this node that's sticking out here at $2.21, essentially this is a prime area where price may actually see itself either hold support or resistance if the price is below it. And we are going to be watching that on 2-hour time interval to see if that left liquidity is going to be filled. And if it does fill, where is the price going to end up? Because we can see we were able to hold ourselves roughly around the $2.20 phase if, again, we are considered to be overbought and we see that selling opportunity on our RSI. So Sorry. So essentially, again, where price is going to go, especially as seeing this pressure already with no wick at the very bottom, price is going to come back down and retrace down. So be very, very cautious at the $2.20 phase or at our next retracement line here at the 50%, which is the $4.17. So that is my video here on helium. Gonna get some tea for my throat here, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.